ASIATOOLS offers one-stop customized steel processing services from raw stock to precision finished parts. We provide multiple delivery grades, including raw stock is delivered as saw-cut pieces. Flat plates undergo double-sided milling for stable dimensions. Bar stock is sawn into regular strips with good squareness and uniform batch quality. Precision ground stock features excellent flatness and smooth surface finish. Custom orders accepted based on drawings or samples. Large gantry milling suits large-size flat machining. Its rigid structure ensures stable long-run performance, accuracy, and batch output. CNC sawing delivers accurate cut to size with smooth cuts for efficient bulk processing. Four-sided finish milling in a single cycle with uniform size and stable quality for efficient mass production. Precision surface grinding achieves superior flatness and surface finish. We offer full specifications and mature processing techniques. Raw stock, flat plate, bar stock, precision ground stock, or custom orders are available upon request. Standard parts start from only $1.48 per piece. ASIATOOLS One-Stop Steel Supply Chain.